Okay, we have a Maytag washer. So as you can see, it's make a grating noise. So and the same time is not complete the cycle. It's keep repeat the time. And as you can see, it's totally worn out. So if you're facing with this kind of issue, and so we're going to replace this one, and we should be solved the problem. Again, if making grating noise and grinding, thank you for making me correct, grinding. So we can find a gap here, so we need to remove this part out, then we able to replace the clutch. Just like that. This come off. Then, so as you can see, it's totally worn. So this one need to be replaced. So we're going to do that in a minute. So this part I'm going to use this one. So I take this one from a working washer, and I can show you the difference. So you can see all around it's worn. So that's why I make middle to middle is grating noise. That was the most comment. And so this is good. And same thing, you can see this has come off from the part. Let me, yes, you can see these are already off. This plastic is come off. So and I'm going to use this one, and so you can see. And so the way alright, so we can start with this clutch back, then we put the spring, and so on this one, so you need to make some gap on them. You can hook up one end, and then once you release, and you can just go around. Okay, you may fail for the first time. Same thing on my side. So we just then also you can use a plier, the way I explain. Sometimes I do the first try, sometimes it took me longer, but that's all good. That's all part of the job. That's how I do I love when I do this repair. So that's part of it. So we keep going. So I explain, we can release with this part and put it one side right there. So you don't need to force it too much because it's gonna get crack or bend it. So just slowly. And on last one, we almost goes through. Okay, oopsie. Once we do that, we just need to lift it up and just like that. So you can make ready your clutch and motor rotor. So just like that, you can hold it. Then we can go just don't go too much because it's gonna warm. These are really quick. So we just go one by one. And again, so this is we do this one because making a grating noise. So okay, so once we're done with that, we can put right there. Okay, now we can hook these our bag, and we almost go through. So you're not gonna miss these, or because these are gonna be same. So once we finish with that, so I'm gonna clean this one and I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, so we just put this one. Alrighty, last thing. And alrighty, thank you for watching. If this video helped out, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and repairs on appliances, and see you next videos.